Hello everyone. In this video I am going to discuss performance requirements for filtration. The basic expression for filtration 1 divided by A multiplied by dV by dt is equal to Q divided by A is equal to P divided by UR, where A is the filtration area, V is the cumulative volume of filtrate collected up to any movement in time, T is the time lapse from the commence of filtration, P is the operating pressure, U is the viscosity of the feed system, R is the total resistance to filtration, which include filtration medium and filter cake. And as we have discussed in last lecture, the resistance offered by filter cake is significantly higher than resistance offered by filter medium. And Q is the rate of filtration, that is volume delivered per unit time, or dV by dt. So from this expression, it is apparent that the rate of filtration is improved by creating an increase in factors P and A, and reductions in factor U and R. Factor P is the operating pressure and A is the filtration area. So these are the operating variables, and cost factor is involved here. So normally these are fixed. Now the factor U, which is viscosity of the feed system, and that is determined by the properties of the feed material, or we can say it is experimental variable which cannot be changed. So now we are left with the resistance factor R. Factor R is made of the combined resistance of the material to be filtered, or say filter cake, and the filter medium. And as you know, during filtration, the thickness of filter cake gradually increases, and that way the resistance will increase, and as a result the rate of filtration will accordingly reduce. As you know, the resistance of the filter medium is considered very small relative to the resistance of the material, that is the filter cake. During filtration, as the filter medium becomes blinded with particles, the medium resistance will increase significantly. And to reduce resistance, either deposition of cake should be minimized, or clogging tendency should be less, or filter medium should be easily cleaned. Therefore, it is very important to ensure that blinding is maintained at a minimum value. This must be a significant factor affecting the selection of filter media for a given application. Next is filter media. The filter media is a thin membrane perforated with holes or pores. The main objective of the filter media is to maximize the collision between the dust particle and fiber. However, the filtration process in general takes place in deep layers of filter for some time, and then after the pores get blocked, the particles start depositing on the surface of the filter medium, thereby depositing a dust cake, which itself acts as a true filter medium, and the real filter medium merely acts to support the cake. The commonly used filter medium are sand, diatomaceous earths, sintered metals and ceramics, porous plates, perforated plates and screens, non-woven fabric felts, woven textile fabrics, cyclones, electrostatic precipitators, and wet scrubbers. Now, the decision for selection of filter media involves analysis of various criteria like suitability to the purpose, quality of filtration required, filtration efficiency, durability, economy, and apart from this, good dust release property, that is cake release, and necessary chemical and physical properties. So now I'll stop here, and in my next video I will discuss textile filters. Thank you.